Okay. Let's go with what you guys are saying. Let's just say, that death does have a conscious plan and that it's been set into motion. Great. So, Newton's third law of motion. And, well, look, I'm just guessing that it goes for death, too, when he's working in our world. Newton says that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So, that means that if death has taken action, so can we. And that action we take might have an opposite reaction that thwarts death's intent.
You're being a fucker, but go on.
Okay. What if, for example, the last in line were to make the utilitarian choice, kill themselves? Wow, that's pretty much gonna ruin any plan that Death's put in motion. And even better, hey, he's gonna save 5 skipped lives. Any takers? No, I didn't think so.